Hello everyone, I'm Navid and this is Hyperpix. I'm back with another tutorial inspired by styles from 80s, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply your text and your logo to this beautiful style without any knowledge in Photoshop or hiring a designer. And you can just download it and follow this video and get this to your own customization. If you want to download this, go to hyperpix.net and get a premium account and get this and hundreds of other beautiful and professional text effects, and you can get free updates and you have this have free updates as long as you're a member. Okay, let me show you how this works. Before anything else, I gotta tell you that this is style just like any of our other styles. This is applicable to any other language. For example, here we got the Japanese logo, as you can see here, beautifully applied to this. You can see the exact beautiful style. Okay, let me show you how this works. Right click on the yellow layer and select Edit Content. And in the new window, double click on the text layer and type your own text. Okay. You can also control the wave from the control panel and drag on the empty space of your screen, and you can move and position the wave. I'm going to close it and select yes. And let's for the result to happen. As you can see here, this is our result, beautifully applied to our text. Okay, I'm going to show you layer by layer how these all works, and you can customize them. Before anything else, select Effects and turn off Extrusion folder. Just disable it. Okay. From the top, Adjustment folder contains coloring and lighting of your design. You can select it and change the variables and get new colors. And you can get your color pattern. Okay. Next one is the vignette and the inner shadow around our artwork here. You can control it and you can change the opacity, and you can increase it or decrease it. You can also change the color, double click on it, or you can disable it. Next one, we got two other folders, noise on and noise off. You can see the small noise, so you can get a retro look. As you can see here, we got a small noise on the top of our artwork. It gives a very nostalgic, and also, and you can turn it on, you can turn it off, and get this as sharp. But keep this in mind that if you want to turn it on, make sure that you turn the other off. For example, like one of these two has to be on. You can have both of them at the same time. Next one is sparkles. As you can see, this is sparkly things and gives a very nice look and gives a sharpness and reflection to our design. Put them on the edges of your design, as you can see here. Just put them where you want. Next one is the smokes. We got the smoke overlay background. You can turn it off and disable it. Next one is another text layer here that we can control it. Just double click and text your own text. Type your text. Next one, we got another text layer. Goes the same. Double click, type your own text. Next one, we got FX folder, contains the structures of the design. Next one is the background folder. As you can see, we got some elements. We got the sun here. As you can see, totally adjustable. You can position it wherever you want. We got also the color behind our design here. Okay, this is with the background. I'm gonna turn on the extrusion, and you can see the design. Our text effect has been applied to our text. Before finishing this, let me show you how you can apply this to our logo. What about that? Do the same thing, and in the Edit Content window, import your own logo. Drag and drop it here. And as you can see, position it in the middle. I'm going to lower the text. And now I want to apply this style to both to the logo and to the text. If I apply this, like drag the FX icon on the layer, and as you can see, our style has been applied to our logo. But as you can see here, the pattern is only applicable to like one of these two. That's a problem, right? Okay, to solve that, what we gotta do is to split these two elements. So select a rectangular marquee tool and press Ctrl Shift J, or in Mac Command Shift J. Split this in two separate folders, and each of them has their own style. Go to color overlay, as I told you, drag on the empty space so you can adjust the pattern. You can also change the scale and put this on 50 so you can get a smaller pattern. You can also put it on 100, just like this. Depends on you and your own test. Do the same thing for the star. Okay, I'm positioned in the middle. Everything is okay. I'm going to close the window and select yes again. And let's wait for the result. As you can see, totally applied to our logo. Okay, I want to disable these two text layers. I'm going to select effects and turn off extrusion folder. Okay, I'm going to drag the FX folder. I'm going to position it a little bit higher. Okay, we got the sparkles and put them where they should go, on the edges and the highlights of your design. Okay, there it is. All we gotta do is to turn on the extrusion. Just wait for the 3D. There it is, beautifully applied. As you can see, we got our 80s look from our logo. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to download this, go to hyperpix.net and get a VIP account, and we got amazing surprises for you. You can get this and the future designs that will coming up. But thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the new videos. Thanks for watching this. I'm Navid, Hyperpix.